Peeko's Perfect Pasta Adventure. Hi there! I'm Peeko, the yellowest, fluffiest bird in all of Butterbean Hollow, and I've got a story to tell. It's about the day I cooked my very first perfect pasta dish. It all started on a sunny morning. I fluttered out of bed, stretched my wings, and sniffed the air. I said to myself, today smells like a cooking day. I tied on my favorite apron, the one with the spaghetti noodles printed on it, and flapped off to the market. My beak was watering just thinking about tomatoes and garlic and gooey cheese. At the first stall, I met Squeaky the squirrel.
Fresh tomato,
He chirped.
straight from the vine.
I sniffed them carefully. Juicy, and you. That one smells like sunshine. I picked 3. Next. I flew to Prickle the Hedgehog's booth.
Looking for garlic?
He asked.
Holding up a bunch.
Yes, please, I grinned. I want flavor that makes my feathers dance. After basil, cheese, and the finest flour from Baker Beaver's stand, my shopping bag was bursting. I flew home well, wobbled home, and landed with a loud thump. On my kitchen, WINDOWSILL. Time to cook. First I chopped the veggies. Chop, chop, chop. My little wings went faster than a squirrel's tail. Then I stirred the sauce. Bloop, sizzle. The garlic smelled amazing, like something you'd eat on top of a cloud. I cracked eggs, poured flour, and mixed up the dough. It was squishy and sticky, but I didn't mind. I flapped flour everywhere, even on my beak. Whoops. Next came rolling the pasta. I hummed my favorite cooking song. Once the noodles were ready, I plopped them into a pot of boiling water. Be brave, little noodles, I cheered. When everything was cooked, I stacked it all on a plate whirls of pasta. Sauce so red it glowed, and a big pile of cheesy clouds on top. I sat at my table by the window, where the sunset made my whole kitchen shine orange. I took a bite. It was cheesy. It was saucy. It was perfect. I fluffed my feathers, leaned back, and whispered Peeko's perfect pasta. Complete success. The next day, everyone in the forest was talking about it. I heard Sauce could make a pinot cone cry, said the fox cub. He's opening a dinner tree, squeaked the mice. Well, I'm not opening a restaurant yet, but I might make dessert next. Maybe a marshmallow mushroom pie, or raspberry root cake. What do you think? One thing's for sure, be cooking again real soon. Because when you love something as much as I love pasta, every day is a perfect day to cook.